guys, we're back with series 2. Hopefully you just took a quick 30-second rest, maybe a minute, but we're back. 30 seconds on the clock, and we're gonna do jump squats, punching up and down. And we're in it already. Getting some air, and pushing off the heels. Punching up and down to the diagonal, really punching. This is engaging our core and our obliques and our booty and our quads. We're using a lot of muscles here, so we're burning maximum calories. Now we go other side. So I'll let you in on a little secret. Boy, am I sore and tired today. But I'm here doing it with you guys anyway, because I know you can. If you're feeling a little tired and you need to slow it down, okay, but just keep moving. We're here, we're in it, and we're gonna get it done. Back. And here we go. Roundhouse knees forward, scoot it back. Let's try and stay low. Really get that knee up to the chest. And faster. 2, 3, 4, and back. 3, 4. And use those lower abs for this one. Stay low, stay low. Just finish it out. 1, 3, 4. Then hop up, across. Heart rate might come down a little bit here, but don't cheat. Get those feet off the ground. And the feet kiss and punch, kiss and punch. Travel some space if you have it, right to left. Keep it going. Now we're gonna do bend and straight uppercuts. Show me those biceps you've been working on. So, again, we're gonna go all 3 times in a row until we take our rest, because I know you can do it. We're here, we're doing it, we're getting it done. And here we go, up and down. Get as much air as you can. Maximize this move. We'll feel the burn. I think we know it's working. And keep it up. Don't give up. I'm still going. And making my brain tell me to keep going, even though my body is feeling it. Keep reminding yourself, you can do it. You can do it. Whatever you gotta do to get you through. And here we go. Roundhouse. And back. Ooh. Water in the eyes, ball. Sweat in the eyes. 1. 2, 3. And 1. Stay low. Breathing. And finish it out. 3, 4. Up, across, up. Okay. I feel my legs getting a little lazy. So I'm going to bump it up. Kiss the feet together. Up, across. I'm not giving in. All right, and down and up, down and up. It's not enough to just stay up here doing that. We have to punch, punch. Make it count. Make it count. Sit back in those glutes arms and up, down, up. Woo! Keep it going. All right, guys. We got one more time, all the way through. Our favorite. Back to these jump squats. Oh, but it's tightening and toning my booty. So, it's good. Hurts so good. And breathe. Now, if you can go faster than me, go faster. If you're like in it today, you woke up, you got energy, then I want to see it. Don't just stay with me because it's easy. If you can go faster, just push yourself. I don't mind. Woo! I'm trying to pick up my tempo a little bit so I can finish this last series out strong. Or I guess I should say this last round because we know there's more to come. One. Get that. And one. And let's finish it out. 1, 2, 4, and up. Cross. Up and across. Up and across. Lift those legs. Are they off the ground? Or are they just shuffling on the ground? Get them up. In there. In there. Faster if you want. Up and across. Up and across. And here we go, last set, down and up. Pushing through. If you really want to challenge yourself, grab you some wrist weights. And 30-second rest, and we'll go to the next series.